Okay, here we are. We're going to do 810-6, page 56. Okay, and the way I solve these, there's different ways of doing it, but this way I'm going to show you. Number one, oh, this is number two. Let's do number one. There we go, number one. Find the unknown measure. Okay, so what you do is you set up a proportion. So I'm going to do the big one over the little one. Okay, so this guy here's my big triangle, and this guy over here, I'm going to go S, small triangle. Okay, so I'm going to set up my similar sides. So I'm going to 16 over 12. They're my corresponding sides. This guy's X. He's on the big triangle. So you're going to do the big one divided by the little one, say. And the corresponding side, the X, is 9. So now you have your proportion. If you multiply this one first, multiply your variable first, 12x. I think I'm going to put it up here. Okay, hang on. So 12x, right, equals 16 times 9. All right, well, 12x, 16 times 9. Where's my calculator? 16 times 9, 144. Okay. And you divide both sides by the 12. X is 12. Okay, X is 12. There you go. Just put that in there like that. One done. Okay, here we are on number two. Look, you can simply see that one is twice as big as the other. But okay, you can do it like that, and then I try to explain it all. I'm just going to do it proportions. Okay, so I'm going to do the big one, right, divided by the small one. So I got 48 over 24. 48 over 24 equals, and we want to do AD. AD is a small one, and the corresponding side is 66. See, this one and this one are corresponding, right? 66. Well, you can see the one's twice as big as the other, but I'll do it like this, and that way we don't mess people up. Okay, and then the other thing is, I guess I have to, instead of AD, let's call, right here, AD, we'll call him X, okay? Let's call ADX. Okay, AD is the same as X. Okay, 48X equals 24 times 66. Where's my calculator? Clear. 24 times 66. 1584. And then you divide both sides. 1584 divided by 48. 33. 48. 48. X is 33. Okay, so X is the same as AD, right? So X is 33. And that's AD, 33. Now look, that's like the slow, long, hard way, okay? You can see this guy here, where's my pen? This way times this way is times 2, isn't it? And this one times this one is times 2. You can see that. So what times 2? So we call this guy Y times 2 is 42. So if you do 42 divided by 2, what do you get? 42 divided by 2, 21. You knew that. Okay, BD is 21. All right? Okay. Right, so if we call this guy, oh, shucks. Oh, well, there you go. All right, next one. I'm not doing it over. All right, number 3. All right, it says find measures T and the angle G, okay? All right, and then in our book it says they're similar. So if we have this guy here and we make him like that, say, so if we turn him like this, right? So this is going to be 91, and then this guy's 71. Okay. So angle Y, I gotta squeeze that in there. Angle Y is going to be 91, isn't it? Okay, then angle T is going to be, this is angle T here, and this is angle H. So angle T is going to be 71. And angle G we got to figure out. So we use triangle sum theorem. Angle G. Okay, so 91 and 71. So so let's add 91 and 71. 91 and 71. Let's add those up. That's 2. 162, right? So the measure of angle G is going to equal 180 minus 162. We add these two together, right? 91 and 71. Then we subtract that from 180. Okay. All right. I'm not that good at doing stuff in my head either. All right. Where can I put that? Clear. 180 minus 162. 18. 18. The measure angle G is 18. Alrighty. I already did these in my book, and I just checked it. We got it right. We got it right. All right, I'm going next problem. Okay, this one's going to be a doozy. GY. I'm going to call. Let me see. GY. We're going to do that first because we want GY here. So I'm going to call GYX and YMY. Okay. All right. Now this guy's bigger. All right. So here's this guy and that guy on my corresponding sides. Okay. So I'm going to do 100 over 80 equals, okay, so this guy, if I kind of turn him like this, say, that's 75 is the x. Okay, and what you do is you crisscross and divide, and always do your variable first, and that way that x ends up on the left the way we like it. Okay, let's see, 80 times 75, 6,000. All right, baby blue, 80 times 75. So 100x equals 6,000, right? Divide both sides by 100. They cancel. X, and you just like go like that, right? X is 60. Right? You don't believe me? Divide it by 100. 60. So yeah, just cross out this. So X is 60. X is 60. And that's the same as GY, 60. All right. And then, how about some purple? How about this hot pink? I like that. So we can use the same thing. 100 over 80 equals, and we want to find y. So 50 is the y. Okay, and so that's the same deal. That's what I say. So you do this one first. 100y equals 80 times 50. See, I'm going to do this one, right? Okay, 80 times 50, 4,000. And then divide both sides by 100, say. Y equals 40 over 1. Y is 40. All right. Okay. That's how you do it. 60 and 40. I got it right. I did these ahead of time. Just make sure when I go do them, they don't mess up. We got it right. Okay, peeps. You think this one's hard? These are like the easy ones. All right, look. These are supplementary. Whoopsie, I need a pen. These are supplementary, right? So what is that? Angle 1? Yeah, it's a 1. The measure of angle 1 is going to be 180 minus 129. Because these are supplementary, right? These two collinear angles, see, they're adjacent, they're collinear. So then what you got to do is like, right, 180 minus 129, what's that, 51? 180, 129, 51, 51. So we got that one already. Oh boy. Okay, so that gives us this triangle, say. I'm not sure there's another way of doing it. Okay, I'm going to draw this. So this triangle, say, that gives us this triangle right here. So we found out 1 is 51. So this guy in here is 51 because they're vertical. This guy's 57. This is angle 2, right? So what do? Add these two together right here. Oh, that looks like a times mark, doesn't it? Oy, oy, oy. Okay, so you add them up. So the measure angle 2, the measure of angle 2 is going to be 180 minus 57 minus 51. That's kind of the easy way of doing it, right? You can add those together. Look, there's two ways of doing it. So you can go 57 and 51. You add them up, that's 808, right? So you can also do 180 minus 108. Okay, or you just go 180 minus this minus that. Okay, where's my calculator? 180 minus 57. Whoopsie, that's not right, is it? 180 minus that 57 right there, minus 51. 72. All righty, angle 2, 72. All right. Okay, 72. Now double check yourself, say. 57 plus 72 plus 51, does that equal 180? That's how you can check it, say. 57, 51, 72. I hope it works. Oh, yeah. 72. Okay. Okay, this looks hard, right? But it isn't that hard if you learn the other stuff, I guess. It's always easy when you get it. It's always hard when you don't. All right, save mouse. Okay, look. These two are corresponding, say. This one and this one. See how they look? See, we got parallel lines, right? So these are corresponding angles. That means they're the same. Okay? All right, so this guy's 108. Okay, what's R? These are supplementary, say. The measure of angle R, say, is going to equal 108, 180 minus 108. What is that? That's 72, right? We just didn't we just do that? Clear. 180 minus 108, 72. Okay, measure angle R, 72. That's easy enough. Okay, now we have this triangle. Now these, okay, now, see, this is why you wanted to learn this stuff, see? Who said you wanted to learn it, right? All right, this guy's 72. That means this guy's 72. Okay? Well, that guy's 72, then this guy's 72. All right. Okay, so now we have this triangle. See? Well, this is 72. This is 50. Here's angle A. So the measure angle A is going to be 180 minus 50 minus 72. or it's 180 minus 50 plus 72. So you can add them up, then subtract, or just subtract. Okay? That's kind of faster. Okay, 180, you have so many important things to do that you want to get this done quickity quick. Minus 50, minus 72. 58. Okay, angle A is 58. It's going to be the measure. Angle A is 58 degrees. Okay, and then double check yourself. 50, 72, 58 should equal 180. 2 and 8 is 10. 5 and 5 is 10, 17, 18. I got it right. Okay, so you can check it. All right, I think that's it. 6 easy problems. Oh boy. And it was exciting, wasn't it?